A very big welcome to all of you on your channel Astronomy and Cosmology. Hi friends, I am Subhan, and in this video we all are going to know about the unsolved questions of the science, or I can say that we are going to explore the mysteries of the universe. So stay with me and let's explore this. The science is very capable, and it's enough capable to give the answers of millions of questions asked by a scientist or a common people. But when I talk about the astronomy, basically in this field, the science is unable to give the answers of a lot of questions. And it's a fact also that we can't explore the universe because we don't know how big is the universe. So we can never get all the information, we can never get all the knowledge about the universe. So here I have collected some famous mysteries of the universe, so we will talk about them. So the first mystery is why the sky which we see at the night sky is black, or why it is dark in color. What are you thinking about it? What's your answer? What's your opinion? What do you think about it? Because it's true that whenever we look up at the night sky, we see that there are a lot of stars, but we see that there is a dark, only and only the black space we see all around the stars. So what is the reason behind it? Why there is a dark energy, the dark space behind the stars? So what is the reason? So till the 20th century it was just a mystery, but after that some physicists gave a very strong theory about it, and they said that the universe is very bright because the universe contains a lot of stars. Here I am talking about the trillions of stars, but the space which we see today is not the space of today. Please listen it carefully. I am saying that the space which we see today is not the space of today. It's the space of past. It's the space of billions of years ago, because the light which has formed trillions of years ago will reach us today. So it means that whatever we are looking today in the space is not the present. It is the past of dead stars. At that time there were few stars, but now there are millions of stars. So after thousands of years from now we will see a bright sky. I think that it was quite confusing for you, so you can rewind the video and you can see it again also. Okay, so let's move ahead for the next mystery. The dark matter is always a mystery for the physicists because they don't know anything about it. It's a very mysterious thing because we know that whatever we see today is made up of the matter, the ordinary matter, okay, and it covers up about 4% of the entire universe. The left 27% is the dark matter, and the 67% of the universe is the dark energy. The dark matter is responsible for the gravity, and the dark energy is responsible for the repulsion force of the universe. So in one line, in easy language, we can say that the attraction force is the dark matter, the repulsion force is the dark energy. We know that the gravity attracts each and everything, but what makes up the gravity? What is the gravity? The gravity is made up of what? So the answer is the dark matter. The dark matter makes up the gravity. As per the Newton, the gravity is nothing but a force. For Einstein, it's a curvature of space-time, but for the quantum mechanics and the theory of the dark matter, it's nothing but a matter. It's a very small, it's a made up of the very small particles. And in quantum mechanics, these particles are known as the gravitons. And the dark energy, actually we don't know anything about the dark energy, but we know that it's responsible for the expansion of the universe. So let's move to another mystery. This unsolved question of the science is related to the matter and the antimatter. So we know that there were both matter and antimatter at the time of the Big Bang, but after the Big Bang, what happened to the antimatter? It's the question. Because whatever we see today is just made up of matter. We normally not able to see antimatter. Okay, so what happened to that antimatter? So there are a lot of theories which describes it. So the first theory is that before the Big Bang there were both matter and antimatter, but the matter was in some high quantity than the matter, and When these matter and antimatter collide to each other, they formed a very big explosion that was a Big Bang, and as the matter was in high quantity, the matter won the race and the antimatter was completely destroyed. That's why we are unable to see antimatter today. But another theory says that, as we all know, that the antimatter is nothing but a different charged particles of the matter. Okay, so it's a kind of matter which is having a different charges. So the matter is having the positive proton, negative electron and neutral neutron. On the other hand, the antimatter is also the same, but there is a difference in charges. The antimatter particle contains negative proton, positive electron and neutral neutron. The difference between both of their neutron is just quarks. You know that some quark charges are different to the antimatter. So after that explosion of the Big Bang, the universe was completely divided into the two parts. One was made up of the matter and another one was made up of the matter. As we are living in the matter of the ordinary matter, that's why we are unable to see anything which is made up of the antimatter. So as per this theory, there is a whole universe which is made up of the antimatter. But I will not say anything about it because it's only and only a theory and the science needs proof, but we can't prove it because we are unable to go outside from our observable universe. I have told you about the multiverse in my lot of videos, so you know about it. But if you are my new viewer, so for you I'm telling it again. So the multiverse is nothing but a different universes. So we can say that our universe is not alone. There are a lot of universes which are just like us, and our universe is just one of them. It's the theory of the multiverse, which describes the existence of more than one universe. It means there can be thousands, millions, billions, trillions of universes. Okay, but how can we say that there is a possibility of the existence of more than one universe? Because we can never go outside from the space, we can never go outside from our galaxy even. So we can't go outside from the whole universe. So it's impossible for all the human beings to prove this fact that there is a multiverse. But it's only a prediction by the scientist. And another thing is that the parallel universe, which is directly related to the multiverse, because if multiverse exists, then there is a possibility of the existence of parallel universe. But what is parallel universe? So you know that it's a very interesting thing. It is one of the best thing in this field. So the parallel universe is a universe, but it is in a different dimension. It means that, for example, there are two Earths. Okay, I am here on this universe. If there is another universe which is just like the same as our, then there will be one more Subhan like me. It's the parallel universe. But how we can say that there might be a parallel universe? So the answer is that we all know that all the universe is made up of the strings, and the vibration of the strings are not repeating. Okay, but after trillions of times, there is a very huge possibility that the same vibration can occur. And if this is real, it is correct, then there might be the same thing, there might be a same copy of the thing. For example, there might be thousands of Earth which is just same, you know, and there are a lot of stars which will be same there and here also. So it's the parallel universe, and you have seen this parallel universe in a lot of scientific movies and in the cartoon films also. So let's move to the last mystery. The last mystery is that, will the universe end? So what do you think about it? So there is directly two possibilities. One is that you believe that the universe will end, and another thing is that you don't believe in that. So what's your own choice? Comment below on the video. Okay, so my personal choice is that the universe will end. My personal opinion. Okay, so I think that the universe will end one day. And why I am saying this? I am having a lot of scientific proofs for my opinion. So we all know that the universe will expand, and it's expanding today also, but after some after billions of years from now, the universe will expand too much, and the expansion rate will exceed the speed of light. At that time, what will happen? The universe will become absolute 0 degrees Celsius. The temperature will become absolute 0 degree. Okay, so at that condition, there will be no human being, there will be no creature, there will be no life. Okay, and if the expansion will last forever, okay, so each and every particles of the atoms will also start to break down, and it will cause a big rip theory. Okay, and I have told you about all these type of theories in my first videos also. Okay, so after trillions of years from now, there will be stars, there will be each and everything just like that, but due to the expansion, the stars will also have a huge quantity, but they will not lie in the constellation, in the clusters. They will lie in a separate manner. They will be very separate stars. So after trillions of years from that time, the stars will explode. And what will happen if that stars will destroyed? There will be no fuel. So after trillions of years from now, all the stars will destroy. But before that, they will form a lot of galaxies, and they will form a super galaxies also. But each and every time the galaxies will form, and they will collide to another galaxy, and they will form much more galaxy. But after a very huge interval of time, the stars will destroy just because of the fuel, because the fuel will not last forever. It will end one day, and when the fuel will end, there will be nothing. The mass of the stars will convert into the very small particles, and it will form the numbers of the black hole. The number of the black hole will increase at that time. So there will be a billions of black holes that will eat each and everything, and at the last we will have a lot of huge sized black holes, and it will be the end of the universe, when we will have only and only the black holes which will eat each and every small particles, because we know that at that time there will be no star, there will be only a small particles of that stars. So each and everything will be eaten by that black holes, and at the last time of the last time of the universe, we will only left with the huge black holes. And one day the black hole will start to eat another black hole, and at the last there will be nothing. So we will have a very huge black hole at the last time. But as per the law of the Hawking's radiation, the black holes will also start to evaporate, and after trillions of years, the black hole will also explode. So what will be there? There will be nothing but energy. Before the starting of the universe, there were energy, and after the destruction of the universe, there will be energy. So the energy converted into the matter, and then converted into the energy. So nothing will change. The universe, the pure energy, will also converted into a pure energy form. So it will be the end of the universe as per my own choice. What you think? There might be a different opinions. Okay, so we will meet in a new video regarding to a new topic of cosmology. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. You never subscribe it. I know that whenever I comes with a new video, I never say about the subscription, but it doesn't mean that you will not subscribe it. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. You know that it will just like a bell, and when you will click it, there will be 3 options, and you have to click on the first, all. Okay, and like the video if you like it, and if you don't like the video, dislike it. So guys, please take care of yours, because it's the trend of the coronavirus, and there is a lockdown in almost all the countries all around the globe. So how will you use this time? So it's my suggestion for you that you can get a lot of knowledge from the YouTube, from the internet, because this is a time when you are not doing anything. You are just staying at your home because you are not allowed to go anywhere. So you can do only one thing, that you are having a smartphone, then you can search and you can get information about a lot of things in which you are interested. For example, I am interested in the field of science, and if you are interested in any different field of the science, or even in different fields of the study also, so you can get a lot of knowledge from that. Okay, So the internet is a very huge source of getting the knowledge. So don't waste this time when you are locked in your homes. Please use it wisely and get as much as knowledge from the internet. It will help you. So guys, we will meet in a new video with a new topic, as I already told you. So please take care of yours.